Dani sabe cómo hacerle. Con dos cámaras.
Sí.
Hey, we should have like a stand para que grabar con los dos, ¿verdad? Para que se detengan. Alright, guys, so what we're doing today is we're doing the Turbo Kit giveaway for the people that subscribe to my Instagram. If you're watching this right now and you haven't subscribed to Instagram, make sure to subscribe because you never know. We do giveaways on hats and merch, t-shirts, hoodies, whatever. We do that throughout the week on the videos. But this time we did a $3,000 giveaway or 2 precision turbos, 2 precision wastegates, and 2 precision blow-off valves. So the winner could take either the turbos or some cash. Right now we're gonna pick 20 people from the subscriber list. I'll show you guys exactly how that looks. Also, is gonna be typing in the names. So here's all the subscribers. Again, these are subscribers for my Instagram. We're gonna make sure we load all the names up. And after that, we're gonna pick 20 random people. Once we pick all 20 random people, we're gonna have the machine pick one winner, and then we'll message them. I'm pretty sure, I mean, their number's not on here or whatever, but we'll message them, and then we'll see if they won the cash or they won the turbos. Okay, ¿listo, muñeño? Miren, guys. Vamos a escoger este primero. Fernando.ms3. Fernando.ms3. Yes, sir. Ok, otro. Alberto Robles Nava. Ok. I'm in. No, in way primero. In underscore my underscore own world. World. Dot underscore. Ok, otro 20, a ver, Él es underscore OBS 95.
La madre en la OBS.
PJ Exotic Bully Chan. Ok, vamos a ver aquí. Jorge.
¿Cómo?
Jorge. George with the J. George with the J, not with the G.
Jorge, in Spanish.
George underscore DC2. Ok, It's underscore Jocelyn. Joe E Celine. Double E. Ok, vamos a ver abajo.
2, 6, that's 3, 6.
Ok, Del underscore Angel 2. Ok. Juan dot Panduro dot 549. Ok, Still Living 66. Living 66. Ok, El Patas underscore OBS. Ok, O3 underscore Edgar.
O3
underscore Edgar. Ahí, güey. Ok, Alfredito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ceros
5 ceros
underscore 07.
07?
Yeah. ¿Cuántos llevas?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13.
Ok, Gabriel underscore Domínguez. Si sabes pelear. Ok. Ángel underscore HTX 936.
Ángel underscore?
Ajá, HTX 936. Ok. Alex Flow underscore 04.
Alex Flow underscore
04. Ok. J. Trejo 2K16. Okay. Jordan dot Arias dot 09876. ¿Cuántos llevas, güey?
2, 4, 6. Wait. 2, 4, 6, 8.
Cuéntalo bien, muñeño.
18.
You need 2
3
more. Okay, rolling underscore Yodi 5.0.
5 Oh, one more. Right?
Yeah, one more. 17, 18, 19. ¿Cuántos tenías?
18.
Okay.
That's 19.
Houston NL FDR. Okay, that's 20?
Yeah.
You sure? Count them.
Let me count.
Guys, 20 people. I said we were gonna pick 20 people just like we were doing. And
Yeah.
okay. So there it is. The people that were selected to win are Jordan MS3, Alberto Nava, In My Own World, LS OBS, PJ Exotic Bully, Jorge DC2, It's Jocelyn, Del Ángel, Juan Panduro 549, Still Living, El Patas OBS, O3 Edgar, Alfredito, Gabriel Rodríguez, Ángel HTX 936, Xflow 04, J Trejo 2K16, Jordan Arias 09876, Rolling Yodi 5.0, Houston NLFDR. So guys, if you're watching this, good luck to you guys. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my Instagram, go to my Instagram and subscribe. We're giving away bigger and bigger gifts, guys. So okay, now what we're gonna do is pick the winner.
Eso es para los turbos, ¿verdad?
This is for the turbos. The turbos, 2 turbos, 2 precision wastegates, and 2 precision blow valves. Now, if they don't want the turbos, they can take $3,000 cash. So, vamos a ver. ¿Listo?
Yeah.
Ahí va.
Vámonos.
Random name pick. Random name pick. ¿Quién ganó? Rolling Yodi 5.0.
Güey, lo acaban de decir good luck on the comments.
Damn, Rolling Yodi 5.0 ganó.
Un Yodi, una
Una Coyote.
Ajá.
Okay,
Y le
let me-
quedarán con madre.
Let me see if I can find him here.
Güey, lo acaban de decir ahí, good luck, Rolling Yodi.
Ah, ustedes están viendo cómo está el jale. How can I find him?
Ismael, I won. Sáquese a bañar, primo.
Trae un 5.0, he's probably gonna want the turbos. Oscar's gonna have to figure out how to ship the thing. You think I could just look
Just
him
search him up on the
up? Acá?
actual. Yeah, on the listing.
Rolling.
Tienen que estar en el live, a ver si es cierto.
Underscore.
Aquí está un Rolling Yodi 5.0,
No
A
mames,
ver,
¿sí?
Mira, Rolling Yodi 5.0.
Oh, sí, güey.
Hey,
Puso one.
Dile que te mande un mensaje.
Así que me mande un mensaje.
Tiene una Red Coyote, se mira ahí.
No mames, ¿sí?
No,
En la foto.
tiene un Mustang, güey.
Por eso.
Accounts.
Coyote es una Mustang.
Oh, es que no
Coyote,
tiene
pues,
G, no tiene
carro.
G.
Twin Turbo, pues su pinche.
Dile que si puede hablar, güey.
Dile que te hable por Instagram Live.
Damn, no me sale acá, güey, o lo estoy poniendo mal.
Rolling underscore.
Yodi 5.0. ¿Sí está allí, güey?
Sí.
Dile que me mande un mensaje.
Un mensaje del Rolling Yodi.
Rolling Yodi, manda un mensaje a Freddy LSX.
Para verificarte.
Oh, double T. Double T, double T.
O double T.
Sí.
No lo escribiste bien.
Ponte verga, niño.
Ahí
Aquí
está,
está,
güey.
por favor.
Dang.
¿Le hablaré por aquí? ¿No tiene, verdad?
How can you call him? Mira el pinche Mustang, güey, está bien perro, güey. It's me, bro.
It's me, bro. No. Oh, yeah, let me see. Le voy a decir que me mande su número. Primary, send me your number.
Dang. Contestaron.
Las mareas que están en el live, güey. Todos los subscribers. Y es subscriber, mira, fíjate, mira, mira. Fíjate. Bueno, pues no sé. Mira, ándele, cabrón. Me mandé un número, no lo puedo poner en el video porque luego todo le matan hablando. Ah, préstame el teléfono, güey. Porque esta mamadita. Este teléfono no tiene señal, guys. Este es nomás para el Instagram.
Damn.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Sí, ¿hablamos con Rolling Yori o qué?
Yes, sir. This is Freddy.
Deme, boy. Sí, cuz aquí estamos de Project Tour Headquarters. Project Tour Headquarters.
That's what's up, man. I'm watching the live. I was like, no fucking way. I just watched.
Hey, güey, entonces tienes un Mustang?
Yeah, bro. I got a football sign, E85, 810.
Deme, boy. Mira, güey, está bien perro. Está bien perro el carro, con la mera neta,
¿Y se va a oír?
Yeah, appreciate it, bro.
¿De dónde eres? ¿Dónde nos miras?
Over here in Florida.
Florida.
A la madre.
Damn it. Okay, cuz, so we got the question. You want the twin turbos or you want 3,000 cash?
Bro, send me them turbos, bro.
Damn! Ya está, güey. Hell yeah, hell yeah. Well, there it is. So, for the people that are watching the live, way, they think we're probably not doing this for real, what you gotta tell them?
Hey, bro. I mean, everyone does giveaways, bro, and you're the only. I ain't gonna lie, you're the only person I watch giveaways, bro. I always enter your giveaways, and I seen your subscription for your turbo. Man, let me subscribe, and I order every shirt for your giveaways, bro. And hey, look, it paid off, man.
Damn. Twin turbo precision. These are perfect for your car, way. These are what we were gonna put on the King Cobra. Nomás que I took it to Velocity, and he had a set of turbos over there. I'm like, man, fuck it, just put those on, cause I don't have time to take these. So I ended up keeping these. And we have the blow valves and the push and everything, and the blow valves and the fucking wastegates. So I'll be shipping everything to you, way.
Appreciate. I got the perfect guy to put it on, man.
Hell yeah. No, y ya que lo pongas, me mandas un video o algo para ponerlo allí.
Oh,
O te echas una vuelta para Park Talk HQ. Hell yeah. Está bueno, pues, cause we'll either text me your number, your address to this number that I'm calling you from, and we'll try to have him out shipped as possible, as fast as possible.
Alright, man, I appreciate it. I'll send you everything.
Órale, cause gracias, güey.
Alright, man. Hey, I'm gonna go by and see you one time, man. One time I went over there to Texas. I go every year, but you're in California, so I can stop by your headquarters.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
But next time I'm gonna stop by.
Ya está, cuz. Gracias. Thank you for participating, güey. And appreciate you subscribing.
Alright, man, Freddy. Hopefully next time I win your giveaway.
Órale. Ya está, güey. Damn it, boy, guys. Perfect car. 5.0 Coyote. Ya tiene twin turbo. Dice que ahorita trae puro Boltons. Este vato va a andar recio. ¿Ya en dónde?
Suerte, güey.
¿En dónde, güey? ¿En Florida?
Florida.
Ya le tocaba. Ustedes vieron, ahí lo hicimos todo live. Ahí están todos los nombres, mira. A ver, vamos a escoger uno más. A ver si hubiera ganado. ¿Quién hubiera ganado?
¿Y que le caiga otra vez?
No se puede, güey.
Me imagino.
Alfredito.
Y
Por un pelo de rana calva, no ganó Alfredito. Pero el Rolling Yodi, ahora sí va a andar rolling, pero con over 1,000 horsepower. Ahí estamos, guys. So ahí está. Thank you guys for watching. And if you're on my Instagram, guys, make sure to subscribe because we're giving out more and more stuff. Estamos, guys. Listo. Alright, guys, so as you can see, Rolling Yodi se ganó the twin turbo. We're gonna be shipping it out to him in this coming week. Also, the sandals are in stock and on the website as we speak, guys. Go over there and pick some up. We have limited sizes. They're true to size. I'm a size 10. These are size 10. Y quedan al mero centavo. So, also, guys, if you want to enter to win our up next giveaway that we're gonna do on the subscriber list, make sure to subscribe to my Instagram. Go over there, hit the subscribe, and you'll be entered to win our upcoming thing. And throughout the week, we're gonna be giving away merch for the people that are subscribed. Ahí estamos, guys. Listo.